Hello, good morning children. How are you? I hope you have completed with your good morning rhyme, prayers, phonic drill, days of the week and months of the year. Do the revision of color of the month, that is black and white, and shape of the month, that is curve shape. Also do the revision of hero of the month, that is Aryabhatta. Let's revise few lines about Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta, known as the ancient genius, he was the great Indian mathematician and astronomer. He was born in Kusumapura, now known as Patna, in Bihar. He invented numeric value 0 in the subject of mathematics. He discovered the time period of rotation of Earth around Sun 1500 years ago. Motions of the planets in solar system. Children, also do the revision of community helper, that is astronaut. Let's revise few lines about astronaut. Astronauts are also called spacemen. They travel in spaceship and spacecraft to space. They are away for months and years from their home to study space and planets. They study science and astronomy to become scientists to travel into space. Astronauts have to undergo training and testing, physical body check to travel in space. They are scientists who travel and work in space above Earth. Children, we will also do the revision of theme of the month, that is space, solar system. Let's revise. Sun. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system. Our solar system consists of 8 planets. All planets revolves around our home star, the sun. First planet, Mercury, the smallest, tiny and closest planet to the sun. There is no water present on this planet. It is the fastest planet. It takes 88 days to complete one round of sun. Second, Venus, known as the evening or morning star. It is the hottest planet. It takes 225 days to complete one round of sun. Third, Earth, where we live. This is the only place where life exists. Most of the Earth's surface, about 70%, is covered with water. It takes 365 days to complete one round of sun. Mars, fourth one, it is also known as red planet. It contains red soil and rocks. Mars is very cold and dry, but water exists in form of ice. It takes 687 days to complete one round of sun. Fifth one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is as big as 1300 Earth can fill in it. It takes 12 years to complete one round of sun. Sixth one, Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet and is known for its Rings are made of dust and ice. It contains gases. It takes 29.5 years to complete one round of sun. 7. Uranus. Uranus is a blue planet not because of water but because of gases that make it appear blue. It is also called ice giant. It takes 84 years to go once around the sun. 8 and last one, Neptune. Neptune is the most far planet from the sun. It is also called ice giant and it takes 165 years for Neptune to go once around the sun. Children, also do the revision of national symbols, national emblem, national flag, India's flag, national flower, lotus, national bird, peacock, national tree, banyan tree, and national animal, tiger. Children, today we are going to do number fun. Yes, we will do numbers. Let's start. Children, can you tell me what comes just before? Okay, what comes just before 9? What will come just before 9? You know? 8. 8 will come just before 9. 8, 9. Then what becomes 11? Before 11, what will come before 11? 10. 1, 0, 10 will come just before 11. Now before 32, 31 will come. 21. Before 21, 20 will come. Before 43, 42 will come. Before 38, 37 will come. Yes or no, children? Before 38, 37 will come. Now, here we have to write what comes just after. In this boxes we write before numbers. Now here we have to write after numbers. What will become after 21? Can you know what will come after 21? 22. 22 will come after 21. After 27, 28 will come. After 33, 34 will come. After 43, 44 will come. After 48, 49 will come. And after 29, now can you tell me after 29 what will come? Just after 29, 30, 30 will come here. Okay, and here what comes in between? Now what comes in between 19 and 20? What will come here between 19 and 21? 20, 20 will come. Now between 40 and 42, what will come in between 40 and 42? 41, 41. Yes. And between 24 and 26, 25 will come. Very good. And 13 and 15, 14. 1 for 14 will come. 29 and 31, 30, 30. 30 will come. And 48 and 50, what will come between 48 and 50? 49, 4, 9, 49. So it's nice, it's easy. You can do it by yourself also. Okay children, now we'll meet in next class. Bye bye. Take care, do the revisions. Bye bye.